Okay, so this is 3.10, number 11, and I am going to work it out. I have labeled my x value red and the e to the negative 4x as green to hopefully make this a little easier. So when we take a differential, we have to use Leibniz notation. So it's important to note that this y over here, when we take the derivative with respect to x here in a moment of y, this is going to be dy over dx. Now, we have to do it this way. The reason being is because later on in the differential, we're going to split the dy and the dx away from each other, and we're going to say dy is equal to stuff times dx, okay? So I'm going to erase that. And to clear up some space here, for this right here, this is a product rule. And we are going to say that f is equal to x. And f prime, the derivative of x, is 1. And we're going to say g equals e to the negative 4x. This derivative is a chain rule. And we will have to take the derivative of f is e to the x, and f prime is also e to the x. And g is going to be the negative 4x at the power up top, and its derivative is going to be negative 4. Chain rule is f prime of g prime. So we're going to put negative 4x back inside of that x right there. Remember, we're going to get e to the negative 4x times negative 4, which is negative 4 e to the negative 4x. So this is our chain rule. And then we're going to put this back together with our product rule, which is f prime g plus f g prime. So, like I said, this y right here is actually, when we take its derivative, it's dy over dx. So we're going to say dy over dx equals this product rule of 1 times e to the negative 4x, because that's our f prime and our g, plus f, which is x, times g prime, which is negative 4 e to the negative 4x. dy then over dx equals e to the negative 4x plus, minus, actually, because this negative is going to replace that sign, negative 4x e to the negative 4x. And then we're going to take and we're going to multiply both sides by the dx, right? And that will make dy equal to e to the negative 4x minus 4x e to the negative 4x dx. This is how you work these problems. If you have any more questions about it, hit up the group me.